Fruit is one of nature's tastiest culinary treasures, and when candied, it's beyond delicious. For centuries, candied fruit has been used to make delicious desserts, including royal wedding cakes, down through the centuries. And for the last 50 years, one Florida company has made some of the highest quality candied fruit on the market, fit for a king and a queen. At Paradise Inc., founded in 1963, 4 generations of family members have been working together to make sure customers across the world can add delicious candied fruit to their favorite family recipes. It's a year-round process that sees the Plant City-based business bringing in raw product from all over the world, including cherries from Michigan and Oregon, oranges from Florida, lemons from Italy, and pineapples and papayas from Thailand. To create their signature products, the company uses their secret process in developing the world's finest candied fruits. Originally devised to preserve fruit for long use after its harvest, the company enhanced and developed its secret process, which also pleasantly sweetens the fruit. These sweetly delicious delights can be added to everything from fruitcakes, cookies, and muffins, to savory dishes like turkey and even Mediterranean specialties like bruschetta, and even an incredible take on sangria. Paradise fruit is known all over the country, and if you're eating or baking with candied fruit, then chances are it's Paradise fruit. During the holiday season, they are on shelves at nearly every grocery store across America. Each day, satisfied customers call and email Paradise, sharing new recipes they've developed and exciting new ways to use the product. And Paradise loves the community interaction, testing and trying customer recipes, and even putting their own spin on them.
Hi, I'm Chef Jim Furchy.
Hey guys, I'm Chef Oliver Frost.
And today on FoodQuest, we're featuring Paradise Candied Fruits.
All right, and we're going to be making a delicious recipe, a blondie made with Paradise glazed fruits. But before we get started, Jim.
Yeah, I thought you made us a sangria to try first.
I have made us a sangria. Now, this is Paradise fruit mixed, macerated in your favorite white wine. We've used actually a little bit of bubbly today because we're feeling, you know.
Gotta feel bubbly.
In the mood.
Coming up on the holidays. So apparently this isn't the old holiday grandma's fruitcake substance anymore. We're looking at new ways to invent it, put it into different recipes, and hopefully we could showcase some of those for you today. Hey, cheers.
Cheers. Delicious.
So with that being said, I think the first recipe we're gonna do for you is a blondie using the candied fruit, which is the pineapple cherry blend. And basically it's a blondie cookie recipe. We could start with the dry ingredients, and then we could add the eggs one at a time after we get all the dry ingredients in. Rest of the candied fruit and add it to that. From this point, chocolate chips, and we're gonna fold that in with the rest of the fruit.
Looks great, and I'm getting a workout here as well.
Okay, now that we have everything fully incorporated, we're just gonna level this out in the pan and pop it into a 350-degree oven for around 20 to 25 minutes.
So let's pop this in the oven.
Well, I guess while we're waiting for 25 minutes, we could finish these.
Sounds like a perfect
Cheers.
idea. Cheers. They smell good.
Oh yeah, look at that. They're like perfect.
These are made with the Paradise pineapple cherry mix. You know, there's all kinds of things you can do with this. There's
I never
cookies.
realized how many flavors that they had. As you can see from what we have on our table here, there's so many different possibilities with recipes at this point.
I think the possibilities are endless for sure. They look amazing. I mean,
They
the
do.
color's fantastic.
I mean,
and
look at all the
can't wait
colors on it.
to Put this powdered sugar on
Make
it.
it snow on there.
All right.
That looks awesome. There's never too much sugar around the holidays.
Can we eat them now?
Yeah, let's give it
All
a
right.
shot.
These look absolutely amazing, Jim.
Yeah, let's give it a
I'm
try.
gonna take this one. This looks like the best one. I'll share it with you.
Oh, you're gonna feed me too, honey?
I'm not gonna feed you, but there you go.
They look amazing. Great flavor,
And I
phenomenal.
think everybody would really love these, even my kids.
No, no doubt. I mean, this is not just good for a holiday, it's good for any day of the week.
Delicious. And it goes perfectly well with the sangria.
It's so well paired. I can't even believe it.
That's it.
Blondie, sangria, even better.
Paradise.